Hey guys! In this video we will import multiple CSV files and compile them into trades. This video will be an easy step-by-step process including the use of the compiler. First you will need both files, Interactive Brokers short-enabled V11 and for compiling. Let's open for compiling first. I also got compiling function included in the main workbook, but it's much quicker to use the compiler for large batches of imports. For example, you want to import all of your trades from year 2019 up till now. The built-in compiler will take much longer time to get it done. The compiler will do it 100 times faster. At first we should enable macros if it's not done already. Then we go to data sheet and check if there are no data left from previous imports. If there is some data underneath row 4, we come back to control sheet and click the delete data icon. Next step is to import the first CSV file. Just be aware not to export CSV files with overlapping dates from Interactive Brokers homepage. For example, if you exported data from 1st of January 2019 to 1st of January 2020, the next export should start from day after, the 2nd of January 2020 and so on. Let's grab the first CSV file and then click the Run Compiling button. Hit OK to replace the data. Enter the row number to start the compiling from. When there is no data in datasheet, we always enter number 2. As you can see, it's compiling super fast. Now before importing and compiling the second CSV file, we need to prepare datasheet for next import. It is not absolutely necessary, but it will give you a little compiling speed boost. This process gives the opportunity to avoid checking already compiled trades again. We open Control Sheet again and click the Prepare button. It will mark the last closed row. All trades below are not closed and should be checked in next compiling process. So we just take the last closed row's number and use it on next compiling. It is best to write it down. When code is executed, you won't be able to go back and check it again. For me, it's the number 294. We go back to Controls tab and import the next CSV file. And run the compiling again, but this time you will enter the number of your last closed row. In my case it's 294 and hit OK. Again, lightning fast compiling process. The built-in compiler would take a minimum of 40 minutes to compile both of CSV files. If you got some more CSV files to import, repeat the prepare step and write down the last closed row number to use it in next compiling. As I don't have any more CSV files to import, I will move to the next step. Opening the main workbook, the Interactive Brokers short-enabled V11. Make sure to keep both workbooks open on this process. Now we need to check if there are any data inside of datasheet. When you are first time opening the workbook, there will be some sample data. To delete it, we go to the Buttons tab and click the Delete Data button. It will ask to enter a row number. Suggested number is number 4. It means it will delete everything underneath row 4, including the row 4. Be aware not to push the button if there is no data under row 4, as it will make the code to malfunction. Now with the both workbooks open, we click the compiler data button and the code will copy the data from the compiler into main workbook. Afterwards, the next step is to fix formatting and formulas. To do it, we click the extend formulas button. It will do its thing, and once it's finished you should end up in the main dashboard. And the final thing to do here is to hit that refresh button. Now, when you have imported the large batches of trades, you can use the built-in compiler. Setup is the same. Click the Prepare button, write down the last closed row number and then import your CSV file. To compile, click the Web Trades button. and enter the row number when asked. You will definitely notice the difference in compiling speed. I also got the option to import trades right from the trader's workstation. It is currently in testing mode only and will cause errors. I will do a separate video on the process. In this video I'm not gonna cover the usage of Spreadsheet, but I got another video only for that purpose. Link will be in description or check out my other videos. I hope this video make the important compiling process understandable. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.